First of all, what I feel is that there is going to be a tremendous amount of growth in terms of unstructured data, okay, unpredictable in nature, and storage market I perceive is going to grow substantially, over at least next 4 to 5 years. And the basic fact that data is coming from various different sources, okay, in different formats, I envisage that this will continue to be a driver going forward.
Okay.
See, every organization in the industry will have specific needs, okay. In India, if you ask, most of these customers, the data growth is completely related to the business dynamics. For example, if a particular company does an acquisition, his demand for data exponentially grows overnight. Second thing which happens is that even if the data growth is predictable, most of the customers do not keep an eye with respect to how well his infrastructure is optimized, or the storage is growing at what specific rate. So what happens is that when a specific challenge comes up, that customer may or may not be ready. So therefore, it is recommended that the customer goes for a storage capability or extendability exercise from time to time to analyze the optimization level for his landscape. See, tape-based storage is going to remain, but disk-to-disk backups are also becoming extremely important, essentially because it gives better resilience. It is too early to say, in our country in terms of adoption of big data and how it is going to change. Okay, we are still followers. If you ask me, if I take the global trends, what is happening, I think we are still going to catch up. I think the impact of big data is yet to hit India in the shape and size that we would like it to hit. But definitely, there are a lot of discussions which are happening around big data, and I envisage that in another 6 months to 1 year's time, it will be one hot topic for all of us to discuss. We have done a lot of innovations. We have announced 3 leading announcements. We announced the acquisition of Autonomy.
Okay.
We have also announced certain interlock in terms of orchestration with respect to data protector software and Autonomy. Third thing is that we have also announced some of the innovations in terms of flat SAN. We have also announced tremendous amount of technology advancements with Store One solution, where you can actually have 100 terabytes of data backed up within an hour, and restoration also at 40 terabytes per hour. So these are some of the tools, some of the softwares, some of the advances which HP is making incrementally towards taking a firm footprint around this. So in India, if the way HP has a go-to-market, we address 3 types of clientele. One of the global accounts, which could be inbound global accounts or nationalized corporate accounts. Second is we have the commercial segments or the key markets, and the third is the SMB market. Okay, each one of these unique segment has its own challenges. Okay, some of the customers in enterprise may be looking at a zero downtime for RTO and RPO, whereas the commercial segment or key customers may not be able to afford those kind of solutions. So if you actually analyze, we need to be very flexible to work out specific solutions to specific customer needs. Okay, you cannot have a unique solution and decide that this is the solution which I have and this is the solution which I want to give the customer, irrespective of whether the customer needs it or not. Another significant change or paradigm shift which is happening in terms of the buying patterns of the customers is that customers today buy what they want. Earlier, customers used to always buy something and they used to say that I need to have 100% headroom for growth. Those days have changed. Today the technology advances are so high that I can actually upgrade a customer from a present landscape to a modified landscape depending upon the needs of the business very quickly and efficiently without actually having any or very negligible amount of production downtime.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you so much.